Today on the Lottery Detective, I promised one of our viewers that we would give him a simple way to uh, select or indicate numbers. Now, the drawings that we have here are from April the 19th, okay? And the viewer I'm talking about, we are looking at New Jersey. Now, this shortcut formula is more or less for advanced people that has been following me from 2014 because it's straight to the point and very simple. But it's not going to be simple if you still do not know the 123 formula or the 111 formula and do not know your family members or how numbers connect from a primary number to a secondary number or doubles or triples. This is still dealing only with one number. Now, before you take off and run with wow with everything in red, these are the numbers I came up with for your state. And the reason I selected certain states are because you still need to have the knowledge of how lottery works. Lottery was not designed for one state. And that's why a lot of you have problems with using the 123 formula and having 18 numbers, but yet you don't get a hit on a daily basis. You're never going to get a hit on a daily basis because it was not designed for one state. All numbers connect, so all the states have to connect. And this is a brief example. Now, I chose the states that basically yesterday, as I spoke on the other video, the 928 family, the 897 here, 793, and the 748. There were other ones continue to fall later on in the evening. Now, on Monday in Virginia, we had the 289, and Monday in Iowa, we had the 142. Now, the point with me showing you all this is why is it that the 928 didn't come with the 144 here? It came with the 012. Here it also with the 879. Why come it did not come with the 346? But here it came with 386. Now, the point is, the point is this. Numbers were not designed, let's say lottery was not designed to cater to one individual state. The numbers work together, so you have to get the states to work together. And as you notice, after I showed the basic formula to use, I started using multiple states. And that is your key secret. Now, let's go ahead and get this completed. Now, I'm going to do what a lot of other people will not tell you. Now, I use this information with my natural elements and a few other projects that I put up in the past. I've been trying to introduce this basic formula. It's not a formula. It's really a ending number ever since January. Go back to video 127 and 134 and it will give you more details. Now you can do this with 4-digit, whatever, but the problem is if you do not understand how these numbers connect, you're not going to get anywhere with this little project, and it's mostly for advanced students. Now, what I would like to show you is the connection. We already see the errors. The 793 here, but it's with the 859, okay? You have 748 here, 874 here, and you have two different numbers with it. And most likely the numbers that are with them are not going to fall in your state, in Pennsylvania or Kansas, anytime soon, nor the next week or week after, throughout the month. So what I'm doing for my friend, well, in New Jersey, is to show you a basic shortcut, but you still need to know how numbers connect. And believe it or not, I'm trying to do this within a time period because I'm not going to be here forever. So most likely I gave myself 2 years to explain my system, and then around September you may not even hear from me again. Okay, this is what I do. And go back to the videos and get more examples. Is I use the ending number 999 because in a three-digit number you have from 000 through 999, and then from a four-digit number you have from 0000 to 9999, and you can use this with four-digit. Now all you do is subtract 144 from 999. And a lot of people that have these, what they call computer generator calculation, that's all they're doing. It's just subtracting your hit from your ending number, which is 999, those three-digit. And also, a lot of people with the use the 999 as properties of theory. That a lot of people said that because it's an ending number from 0 through 9, that it has that property to work with any number. But eventually, these numbers will fall. But overall, I look at them in the bigger picture by using all the states. And then it tells me, because some of them are part of crossover, they match perfectly with some of the crossover numbers. And I take advantage of that knowledge. So, but anyway, this is for my viewer in New Jersey. I want to hear from you. So I hope this helps you. But still yet, you need to look at the big picture. I thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all of your support.